Hello, in this video I will talk about how to use ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a OpenAI software platform. It is an AI. You can ask questions like writing in applications, poem, essays, or songs for your project. So it's very simple to use. So first you need to go to Google and here in search box write ChatGPT. Now click on the first link openai.com ChatGPT. When you scroll down you can see try ChatGPT here, click here. So if you are already registered with your GPT account, user account, so you can directly log in, or if you don't have, just click on sign up and it will ask you like phone number and then register you. So I have already registered, so click on login. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. You can see here like examples, capabilities and limitation for ChatGPT. So here you need to ask the question which is very detailing, like for example if you want to write an application to your headmaster for granting your scholarship based on your academic performance, so you can write in details. Here in parentheses I am giving some random name like John James. So your question need to be grammatically correct. So AI is generating an application for our question according to our question. So it's complete and your question. So that's how you can write the query in ChatGPT for your assignments, for your projects, or simply making your uh, work easier. And you can also, for developers, like you can also ask for the code. Like here I'm asking. Yeah. So here I ask simple counter application on the React.js. So it is giving me code. So this is the code for the JSX. It will also give you explanation of the code. You can copy the code as well here. So that's how you can use ChatGPT for making your work easier and helping your assignments and helping you in academic and work life. Thanks for watching.